your house is ready to fall on the road. That's awesome. This load is from hell. This semi-leaf springs, the brakes burning out. Thing's almost hitting the ground. It's heavy. Some copper up there. I ain't taking that in today, gotta clean it. And I'm way out in Pennsylvania. Brakes are burning up. Oh, sheet. No, I'm gonna do sheet. I'm gonna do sheet next. Oops. Okay. Yeah, shit got bad. I cut my finger. It's all over the ground. I'll have more pictures. But yeah, let's see what I can make on this copper. A little more right there. Cut this copper up. Throw it in my trunk. Alright, well that was that little load of crap. But all I want to say is Benwiseman's, I weighed the weight up and they like deducted for the buckets twice. The machine automatically does it and the guy does it. So they owed me like 13 bucks, but I'm going to forget about it because sometimes it's hard for big scrap yards to come up with that kind of cash. But Jesus Christ, you're thinking you're not getting screwed, but everyone's screwing you somewheres.